ain't even put my jewels on. I ain't even played my latest song.
Hey guys, it's your girl KP. This video is basically if you have a console and you want to stream OBS or Streamlabs and you're not sure how to do that because you don't have a capture card, this video is for you. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you enable remote play in your system. Next, you want to make sure that you have remote play downloaded to your PC, laptop, whatever it may be. It's free, really easy to download. Just make sure you have it downloaded. So you want to have an account separate from your main account, and that burner account, you're going to connect that to the actual remote play. You'll see all the steps in there. When you sign up and everything, you want to put in that email address that you use for your dummy account. So you don't want to be signed in, you don't want to just switch user, you want to be logged out of all the other accounts and you want to log in to your secondary account. So when you do that, it's going to pop up. You're going to connect to remote play, and what happens is you're not going to be able to do anything. You want to press the middle button and it's going to bring up the profiles. So you're going to go over to your main profile that you actually want to use and you're going to click it. And then what you want to do is you want to hold the middle button again, and then it'll tell you that you officially have access to it and you're going to be able to move it around and do all of that, and you now officially have complete control over your system. And let me also say that my system is connected to the Ethernet cable in a different room. So I don't even have my system with me in this setup. Like, my setup here is literally my mic, my camera, my laptop. That's it. No capture card. So then what you want to do is you want to open up either OBS or Streamlabs, add a new source. So when you click add a new source, what you want to do is you want to go to window capture. You're going to name it whatever you want. And then when you go to window, you click on window and then you should see remote play pop up, and you're going to click on that and you're going to hit OK. And then you're going to adjust it accordingly. If you want to have, your camera in your front, clearly if you have a camera, or if you just want to have the whole screen full of gameplay, you're going to do that. And that's pretty much how you connect your system to your computer without a capture card. I have been your friend KP over here on the interwebs, and I will see you next time.